Hello everybody and welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you being here. Sorry for the little bit of shake, it's just a crappy gimbal. Eventually we'll get a new gimbal to replace it. But we are here on Monte Sano State Park at the POTA Festival. I'm a little late getting here because I had other things to deal with, but let's walk around and see what all's going on here. So you'll see several faces that you're already familiar with. There's Vaughn from POTA Power.
Yes.
Jason, Ham Radio 2.0. Kate, MRD. KB5 UTY, frequent super chatter. Ham Radio Crash Course. Digital Rancher, Robert. I have no idea why this camera's shaking so much. Ham Radio Duo here. All kinds of snacks and food and different things. Well, I'm partaking some of that here in just a little bit. So it don't. There's Gray Man POTA. Tel4MCK. Just hanging out, y'all. Just hanging out. Beverages, different things. All right.
It's totally worth the investment.
An FTX1 right there. All right, again, guys, I'm a little late to the party here. Go check out all these great YouTubers' channels that you've seen that I've talked about here. POTA Power, Ham Radio 2.0, Ham Radio Crash Course, Ham Radio Duo, Kate MRD, Ham Radio Tectonics. The list goes on and on. Go check them all out for more content. Again, I'm late getting here, so unfortunately, a lot of the operating activities over with. Just a bunch of conversating. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all the good YouTube things. 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.